In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Wix website to a client. This is a comprehensive process, so we'll walk through it together step by step. Whether you're a web designer transferring a site to a client or just looking to pass on your Wix project to someone else, you'll find this guide super helpful. Let's begin by opening your web browser and heading to Wix Studio. If you're not already familiar, Wix Studio is your central hub for managing all your Wix websites. Once you're at Wix Studio, look for the Sites option. This is where all your websites are displayed, and you can select the one you want to transfer. Clicking on Sites will give you a list of all the websites you've been working on. Now, once you have the desired website in view, the next step is to navigate to the People and Roles section. This area is crucial because it's where you control who has access to your site and what roles they play. So go ahead and click on People and Roles. In this section, you'll see an option to update your site's type. It's not always necessary, but sometimes changing the site type can affect permissions, so it's something to be aware of as you're managing roles and permissions. With that handled, it's time to invite your client. To do this, first click on Invite People. You'll be prompted to enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to give access to. Make sure these are correct, as this is how they will receive their invitation. Once you've entered their emails, the next part is selecting roles for each person. Roles determine what level of control and access they will have over the website. In most cases, you'd want to choose the role of admin, co-owner, for your client. This role ensures they have full administrative capacities to modify and manage the site as they see fit. It's basically giving them co-ownership of the site. Finally, after assigning the correct roles, all that's left is to click on Send Invite. This will send an email invitation to each of the addresses you've entered, inviting them to join the website management team on Wix. From here, your client will be able to accept the invitation and begin managing the site on their end. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Wix website to a client. By doing this, you've empowered them to manage and run their site independently. This process might seem a bit involved, but once you go through it a few times, you'll see just how straightforward it really is. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Catch you in the next